Good morning all, welcome back. Well, here we are again. Today we're gonna finish everything we can do on this car because next week she's on her way. So small piece that Andy, where it is, there, Andy's going to work on. We need to get rid of a bolt, unbox it and weld the box back on. We figured that would be the best way to do it. I'm gonna finish wrapping of putting the rubbers back on. I'm gonna finish putting all the other parts on that the painter will need, and I'm going to finish either today or tomorrow evening the electrical work because we found some parts that we still didn't do. So good day. I am very excited. So enjoy the show again. Well, moving along perfectly today. As you can see right here, let's do it like this. The inner part is in, the rubbers are on, the battery is ready to be connected. I didn't connect it right yet. So I'm gonna put the hood back on, and then the front only needs to do is cleaning up the washer bottle. And then I'm done. Andy finished some repairs here on this part. There you can see it, yes. This part is done, and at this point Andy is repairing the bolt we messed up. So let the pros do that. So we're gonna hang the door back in right now, and after that we're gonna attach the hood and the the bonnet, and then I think we're only thing I have to do to finish off, but I will do that later this week, is putting the rubbers back on, and then we're finished.
Yes, right.
So. Well, doesn't that look like a car that is complete? Some small jobs to do for me, some cleaning, etc. But that's okay. I can do that in the evening. Will not make any noise. I will not wake up any kids, neighbors, or other people who want to sleep. We can just get this car on transport. And oh wow, wow, wow. Imagine having her back in a few months, completely red again, and just putting all the small parts back on. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. So, reminder for myself, that's why I'm saying it now. I have to bolt the bumper on because it's not fixed, but that's the only thing left for me to do. So I'm gonna snap my fingers like that, and you can see me again. Thank you again for watching. I know it's been a long journey so far. I'm pretty happy. I hope you are too. So I think next video is about transport, or maybe some other small parts I'm going to do, but I think transport. And hopefully I can show you the process of painting and getting all the bondo or filler on and all that's coming, mounting the engine. But I have to hope the COVID crisis allows me to go back to the guys, to their shop. Otherwise, I hope that they can make some pictures and I can share them with you. So, but the next stage of the process is coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want. And goodbye.